Connecting your Presto card on the phone is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for the Presto app developed by Metrolinx and download and install it on your phone. Once the app is installed, open it on your phone. If you already have a Presto account, log in using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your account with your personal information. Once logged in, you will have the option to add your Presto card to the app. Tap on the option to add a card and follow the instructions. You will typically have two options for connecting your Presto card to the app. Enter card number manually. If you know your Presto card number, you can enter it manually into the app. Scan your card. Alternatively, you can use your phone's camera to scan the barcode on your physical Presto card. This method is quicker and more convenient. After entering the card number or scanning the barcode, the app will ask you to verify that the information is correct. Confirm the details to proceed. You may have the option to name your Presto card for easier identification if you have multiple cards or for personalization purposes. Once your Presto card is successfully added to the app, you will receive a confirmation message. Your card is now connected to your phone, and you can use the app to manage your card balance, view transaction history, and more. Within the app, you may have the option to set up auto-load functionality, allowing your Presto card to automatically reload with funds when the balance falls below a certain threshold.